What's up, YouTube? I just got new bars for my Razer Ultra Pro Low. Alright, I'll show you what I did. Alright, the grips, same thing, not the normal grips, but yeah, the ones I bought, animals. Alright, bars, I didn't really get new ones, but I just painted them flat black, and if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you right now. Alright, what you do is you get sandpaper from like Walmart and just 2 cans of spray paint, whatever you want. Alright, so my bars are flat black. So what I did is you have to sand every little thing of the bars until all that shiny crap gets off. And then when all that shiny stuff gets off, you put like tape around the grips so the grips don't get spray painted on. And alright, spray paint the bars. Make sure not to get them drippy, because if they're drippy, I kind of got a little drip right there, so yeah, try not to get them really drippy because it'll look retarded. Alright, rest of the scooter, normal triple clamp, the 100mm wheels, ABAC 7 bearings, double welded fork, normal deck, full grip tape, another 100mm wheel with ABAC 7 bearings, normal brake. Alright, comment and rate please. Bye.